Welcome to Naomi's Halloween Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an edible blood. If you want to see in use, watch Gertrude if you dare. To make this blood, there are 3 ingredients. First is golden syrup or honey and 2 food colorant, red and blue. Now let me show you how to make this blood. Just pour golden syrup on a container like that. I think that's enough. And then add the red food colorant. About half of it. Half tube. There you are. Then give it a stir. Oh, look at that. Start turning into a red color. Now I'm going to put a bit of blue just to darken up, but 1 or 2 drops, okay? One, two. And then give it a stir. Oh, look at that. Start getting really dark now. Now let's drink it. Cheers everyone. Happy Halloween. Oh, that's absolutely gorgeous. Tastes absolutely sweet. Happy Halloween. With this recipe, you can drink as much blood as you want. Cheers. Happy Halloween! And the good news is you can wash your clothes with no problem. No nightmares. If you want to see this blood in action, watch Gertrude if you dare. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.